Hi students, hope you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss another sorting technique, which is merge sort. Merge sort, key points involved in this merge sort technique. First one is very important. It is an external sorting technique. What is meant by external sorting technique? If the array size is large, then external sorting technique is used. So external sorting technique, large means here unable to fit in main memory. Your array size is large than your main memory size. Then external sorting technique is used. Why? Because additional space, if it is large, then how can we sort? You may get the doubt. So here additional space is required. That's why here external sorting technique, extra additional space is required to sort the elements. Now there's also, depending on the principle, called as divide and conquer technique. Divide and conquer technique. Now let us start with an example how this merge sort will work. Now some tree representation, like we will discuss this merge sort. For example, this is the array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose the elements are 8, 10, 12, 9, 6, 3, 2, 4, 11. These are the elements. I am writing the positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Array size equal to 9. What shall we do? So this is divide and conquer. Array is divided into exactly 2 halves. So how this is divided into 2 halves based on the mid position. How can we calculate mid position? Mid position is low plus high by 2. So based on that we will calculate. In this is low value, which is equal to 0, and this is a high value, which is 8. So now 0 plus 8 by 2, which is nothing but 4. So this array is divided into 2 halves. So from 0th position to mid position, mid plus 1th position to high position is right sub array. This is now our left sub array. So up to 0th position to 4th position. So how did we get this 4? 0, lowest index, highest index 8, 0 plus 8 by 4. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 12. So here write as it is array. There is no difficulty in this. Now from 5th position to 8th position, write that array. Simple. See, 3, 2, 4, 11. Write the positions. For this, the positions here are, see, the same position. 3 is present in 5th position. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your left sub array and this is right sub array. Now again this will be divided into 2 halves. How? For this left sub array, low position is 0. So right for this high position is 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2. So it is divided into low position to mid position, mid plus 1 position to high position. That means now see your left sub array, 0th position to 2nd position. So 8, 10, 12. Now 3rd position to 4th position means 9 and 6. Now again low plus high by 2. So this is 0th position, 1st position, 2nd position, 0 plus 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So this is your left sub array, 8, 10. And this is only one element, right? And here this array is divided into 3 plus 4 by 2, which is nothing but 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means 3. The array is divided like this. So left sub-array simply 9, right sub-array 6. See, this main array is divided, again it is divided, again divided, again here it is divided. So like that, the division is continued until sub-array consisting of single element. Sub-array consisting of single element. See, here division is not possible, here division is not possible, here division is not possible. No? So up to that we have to divide the array. No need to do anything at all. Just divide until each sub-array consisting of single element. Now see, in this, this is 0th position, first position. Now 0 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Remember, this is a programming language. Don't write 1 by 2, 0.5. It is 0 only. So left sub-array 8, right sub-array 10. Like that, this array is divided. Now coming to right sub-array. Right sub-array again. See, lowest position is 5, highest position is 8 by 2, 13 by 2, which is 6. So that means this will be divided like this. 3, 2, and here it is 4, 11. Like that, it is divided into 3. This is divided into 2. This is divided into 4. This is divided into 11. How? This is 5th position, 6th position now. 5 plus 6 by 2, 11 by 2. 11 by 2 means 5 only. So that's why 3. Here 7th position, 8th position. 7 plus 8 by 2, 15 by 2. So 7 only. It is divided. Now division is completed. So all this is called as divide. So whatever we are doing next, that is called as conquer. Conquer is nothing but combining. Now see, combine these two. Combine is nothing but comparison and combine. Put in sorted order. So 8 and 10, as it is, let's say it is greater 8 or 10 only you will get. Now this 8, 10 is merged with 12. So how these two are merged? 8 and 12 are compared, 8 is less. Then 10 and 12 are compared, 10 is less. Then 12. Why? Because this you got from this array. That's why we have to merge. Here 9 and 6 are compared. So I am writing here 9 and 6. Then 6 and 9 we will get. If we merge these two, 3, 2. 3, 2. Actually 2 is less. So first 2 and then 3. 4, 11, which are in correct order. So 4, 11. That's all. Okay. Now see. Now again merge these two. Merge this left sub-array and this one. Why? Because these elements we got from this array, na? From this. So that's why. Okay. So now again compare. Merge means not only just combining, we have to place in proper order. 8 and 6 are compared. 6 is less, na? 6 is added. Then go to next element. Why? Because this already added. That's why go to next element. 8 and 9 are compared. 8 is less. So 8 is come to this position. Then come to 10. 10 and here 9 are compared. 9 is less. So 9 is added. And here this sorted. This array is completed. Copy these 10, 12 elements. Now compare these. Conquer these. 2 and 4 are compared, 2 is less. 3 and 4 are compared, 3 is less. Then 4, then 11. Now combine these two, left sub-array and right sub-array. Then you will get the array, sorted array. 6, 2 are compared, 2 is small, so it is added. Next 6, 3 are compared, 3 is less, so 3 is added. Next 6, 4 are compared, 4 is less, so 4 is added. 6, 11, 6 is less, 6 is added. Then 8 and 9 are see 8 and here 11 is there, 8 and 11. So 8 is a small, so 8. So go to next. 9 and 11 are compared, 9 is less. So here 10 and 11 are compared, 10 is less. add 12 and 11 are there, add 11 here. This array is ended na, then whatever leftover elements copy as it is, only one element is there. This is sorting the elements using merge sort technique. Merging is nothing but not only placing and put in the sorted order. So this is merge sort technique. Hope you understand, students. If you have any doubt, please post in comments. Have a nice day. Bye bye.